She know. She get money. Damn right. She know. It's alright. It is officially a terrible day. It's gonna rain all freaking day. Rain all day. Fantastic. But we're up, we're getting this bread today. I'm super excited. K-Camp's dropping an album tomorrow. He ain't dropped an album in like a long time. It's been like, well, at least this series of album. Anyway, we're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that tomorrow. Trust me, we're gonna get to that. It's pouring rain, not much going on today, but I have a couple ideas for some truck content today. So you guys need to stay tuned. Daily Bread 27, we almost at 30 days. 30 days, baby. Let's get this 30-day bread, baby. Man, come on. Man, we're good, man. Just stay tuned. It's thunder and lightning, and it hadn't stopped raining since like last night, but we're gonna find a way to get to the bag today. Don't ever question that. Let me see the fried chicken.
I'm a fucking hustler, Alex.
Dang.
Look at that. So today we've got the peas and rice, the plantains, and the baked beans. We're gonna try the baked beans today. I'm heading into uncharted territory with the flavors here.
That chicken looks pretty solid.
I'll be honest, it's the best fried chicken I've ever had.
That's a huge statement.
Yeah, that is a huge statement, and it's a true statement.
Wow. That looks good. So, real quick, long story short, customer brought in they brought in the truck.
Truck got T-boned.
Truck got totaled.
Motor and trans, bought the same exact truck.
So
that truck had a lifter collapse. So
we've got
using their motor and trans.
we've got a tan colored Z71 Tahoe back here. Customer totaled it, bought another one exactly like it, and is taking a bunch of stuff off of this one, engine, transmission, all that stuff. So the truck is pretty much scrapped, and we have been given free reign to pretty much fight over what's left because the customer doesn't want it. So Davis is taking the mirrors, some people are taking the wheels, front seats, back seats are all gonna be gone tomorrow. Different people at the shop are taking them. My thought is, I think we take the very back third row is a full, is it a bench seat? Is that what it's called?
It is a bench seat.
Bench seat.
Third row seat.
Third row bench seat. I think we take it, get it reupholstered, and put it in the office at home. I think that's the move.
We won't let you.
So, yeah, Christina might not let me. So I think the plan is tomorrow is to just put it in the back of the truck and take it home, or maybe take it to the upholstery shop.
Bolt it to the back of the truck.
Bolt it to the back of the truck.
To the tailgate.
Bolt it to the tailgate. Wow. Let me know here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys this third row. It's got some spider webs and stuff, but it's a pretty solid third row back here. This is locked. Never mind. Hold on. So this is the third row seats. I mean, obviously it's kind of dirty, and it's got some spider webs and stuff on it because it's been back here. But as far as I know, it's pretty clean, not crazy messed up leather. I mean, the inside of this truck is pretty nice for what it is. None of the back seats are messed up. None of the front seats are messed up. So I think we take this, we get this reupholstered, and put this in the office, or we find a way to mount it in the back of the truck. I feel like that would be pretty cool to mount it to the back of the truck. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What we should do with our new third row seats. Bean knows more about my truck than I do, apparently, because I forget this. I should probably snatch the actuator after this so I can finally use four-wheel drive again. What is it? What is that? What is that?
Liquid ass.
Liquid ass. Bean's gonna spray it in the bathroom. No. I don't want to. Oh. Oh my God. That's bad. That's bad. Oh my goodness. I want to kind of just sit here and wait for it. How bad was it?
Deadly. I was dying.
I could smell it out here, and I was coughing and about to die.
Oh. The whole office is about to smell like shit. Nah, up front.
So my big project of the day, Jake changed out his cabin air filter the other day, and it was pretty bad. I've had my truck for like 5 years and never changed it. And Christina's been getting aggravated at me for having this weird smell, and I'm, you know, having people riding in it every now and then. It's just kind of bad. So we need to get it changed out, and I'm pretty worried to see what it looks like. I mean, because it's got this really weird smell. Not that something's died in it, but just kind of interesting. So I went in, I got everything torn apart and taken out, and we're gonna see what the filter looks like. So you pull this little cap off, and immediately when I pull it off, there's like leaves and shit in there. It'll be all right. Send it. Ooh, look at it. Jake, that's bad. Well, that's probably why it was nasty, because there was leaves and all kinds of crap in it. So thankfully, you know, we've got the new one, and the new one's gonna be all nice and pretty and hopefully smell better. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. Well, the weather has not gotten much better from this morning, but at least it's not raining. I know that the tornadoes and the rain are on the way though, so make sure you guys, if you guys are in this area, Georgia, North Georgia, whatever, make sure you guys are staying safe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what I should do with that third row bench back seat. Should I drop it off at the upholstery shop and make it nice, or should we drag it behind the truck and ride it and have some fun for a video? I think that might be the way to go, but you know, we'll see, you know, just depending on what you guys comment below. So comment below something that you would like to see with that third row bench seat. I'll leave you guys at that. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, jamming to the new K-Camp album. You have no idea how excited I am for that. I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, make sure you guys get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.